How to use Facebook Marketplace. So the first things first, let's just search for Facebook Marketplace on Google. So when you search for Facebook Marketplace, you can just simply click on the first link that appears, which is called Facebook Marketplace, buy and sell, and stuff like that. Or you can just simply click on the marketplace option or down below. I'm gonna click on marketplace, and over here this is how the website will look like. Now over here they are giving us a basic and brief introduction to marketplace. So let's just go ahead and go over a few things, and then I will show you how you can basically sell stuff and buy stuff online. So over here we have create a listing. Basically you can create a list of items that you want to sell, basically like an inventory. And you also have to understand that marketplace is an e-commerce platforms that connects sellers and buyers through meaningful interactions and unique goods. And another great thing is that Marketplace is free to use. Anyone with an active Facebook account can list or buy items with no hidden fees, and it is local and nationwide. So browse and buy or list and sell items to other Facebook users across the country or even across the world. So, and yes guys, and you can actually sell and buy stuff from other countries as well. But you have to understand that Facebook will take a 5% fee if you do that. But compare that with other e-commerce stores such as eBay or Amazon. eBay takes a 14% cut and Amazon takes a 15% cut. So comparing it with those two e-commerce stores, we think that Facebook has the lowest thing. So if you scroll down below, here is the sign up process where you can sign up as a marketplace seller or a marketplace buyer. So just simply fill out this form, and over here all you have to do is enter in your email address, your first name, your last name, the company name, the selected country, and choose an option of either a marketplace seller or a marketplace buyer. And then just simply tick this box and you will be agreeing to their terms and services, and then you can just simply sign up as a marketplace seller or a marketplace buyer. So let's just go ahead and explore the marketplace now. So you can explore the marketplace by clicking on go to marketplace or clicking on explore marketplace. Either way, choose whichever button you want. It takes us to the exact same place. Now over here, as you can see, this is how the Facebook Marketplace actually looks like. So right out of the gate, we can see we have a lot of different items that are being sold, mainly cars. We have a Chevrolet Silverado, which is going for $2,000. We have a loaded Ranger Crew 1000 premium, and it is going for $20,000. We have a Cadillac Eldorado going for $5,000. We have all these different items that are going for various prices. So over here on the left side, we will see we have different categories. So this is the country that my location is set to. Now I understand that I don't live in Dallas, Texas, so I'm just simply using a VPN to hide my location and to give you a better experience of Facebook Marketplace. So over here on the left side, we have different categories. We have vehicles, we have property rentals, we have apparel, we have electronics, family, we have home goods, we have musical instruments, office supplies, and many more. And we can even click on browse all, and if you scroll down below, we have different furnitures and we have different items that we can buy. So that was the tutorial as a buyer. Now let's just go ahead and let me tell you guys about how you can basically sell items on Facebook Marketplace. So go back to the marketplace homepage and then scroll down below, and then just simply sign up as a seller. Or you can just simply click on selling over here at the top right here. And over here, they are going to be asking you what kind of a seller you are. So basically, if you're a Facebook Marketplace for frequent sellers or a Facebook Marketplace for business. So if you already have a business that you want to expand and you want to make an e-commerce store, you can just simply choose this option right here for businesses. Or if you have like a couple of stuff that you have at home in your attic or in your garage that you want to sell and make a quick buck from it, then you can just simply choose this option. Whichever option you choose depends upon your need and your requirement. So let's just go ahead and select Facebook Marketplace for businesses. And over here, they are going to be telling us a few different details that we need to know before we begin our business on Marketplace. So you can read all of this as you want. I'm just going to go over the main things. So let's just check out a few benefits of selling on Marketplace. So Marketplace is where people can discover, buy, sell things listed on Facebook. Here are some benefits about selling and listing your inventory on Marketplace. So the chance to reach an active growing community is very, very high. When you sell as a business on Marketplace, you get access to the growing communities of active Facebook account. Each month, millions of people are browsing and buying items from other people's businesses on Facebook. And we have real-time communications with Messenger. So I'm sure you've used Facebook before and you've used their Messenger app, so you know what I'm talking about, guys. So basically we have real-time communication. So if a person texts, you can easily respond to them without wasting much of his time or your time as well. And then they have free listing, guys. Unlike many other marketplaces or e-commerce store such as Amazon or eBay, Marketplace allows businesses to create and manage listings for no additional fees or costs. There may be costs associated with setting up inventory feeds or other services through a partner, but Facebook doesn't charge any hidden fees or stuff like that. So there are basically three types of businesses that are mainly on Marketplace. So we have Marketplace for car dealerships, we have Marketplace for real estate, and we have Marketplace for retail and e-commerce businesses. So choose whichever category your business falls into. So I'm gonna choose this one, and as you can see over here, this is how they handle their businesses, and it looks really, really legit. So now we know which type of businesses that we want, and now we can just simply go ahead and sign up as a seller. So simply scroll down over here, just simply sign up, and then just simply select Facebook Marketplace seller, and then you will be able to start your business. But a few things that I have to mention here, guys. Remember to keep your inventory full, and remember to have amazing customer service support, because customer service is really, really important. I'm sure you guys know this, because if you go to a restaurant or any other establishment, and if the waiter or the server or the host there isn't respectful to you, is showing you disrespect, you just instantly don't like that place. No matter how good that place actually is, no matter how many of your friends recommend it, you just don't like that place unless its service and staff is really, really amazing and is really, really cheerful as well. So remember, guys, keep that in mind before you move on with the video. So let's just go ahead and sign up onto this website as a seller. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and fill out these different details over here, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Now, when you choose that you are a marketplace seller, they are going to ask you what product categories do you sell. So you have a lot of different product categories over here from which you can choose from. So you have health and beauty, you have electronics, you have cell phones and accessories, you have clothing, shoes and accessories and stuff like that. So go ahead and choose whichever category your product falls into, and then just simply check this box and then just simply click on the sign up button. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose office supply and toy games and health and beauty. Check this box and simply click on the sign up button. So as you can see, we have signed up to the Marketplace's newsletter as a seller, and they will check us out whenever we're ready. So let's just go ahead and click on selling, and now we can try to sell something. So go ahead and log into your Facebook account by simply clicking on the login button over here. So once you signed up onto the Facebook Marketplace, all you have to do is come over here on the left side, and underneath your account, you will have the option create a new listing. So simply click on create new listing, and over here you will have the type of listing that you will have to choose. So basically you will have to post a job on your public board, or list a house or flat for sale, a car or a van or other type of vehicle, or add a single listing or small for one or more items to sell. So let's just go ahead and choose this one over here, and over here you will have to add in the description about that product. So simply add in the photo about that product, and add the title, add the price, select the category in whichever category that item falls into, select the condition, whether it's a used, new, used good, or used fair, and then add a small description describing details about the product, its faults, and if it's used, write down all the details about where the scratches are, about if there is any other fault, so that you don't scam the customer. So, and list as a single item, and then enter in tags, enter in the unit, and then just simply choose whether you want to hide this from this friends as well, and then just simply click on next. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna select this item over here. I'm gonna call it a book. The price is $200. rupees. The category falls into books. Condition is new. Add in a description. Single item, product, book, SKU. This is optional. You can leave it at that. The location is optional as well. Then just simply choose this. Then just simply enter in the location or a town. Let's just say Gujarat, and then just simply enter in next. So once you've added in the images, given it a title, the price, this description, the location and stuff like that, just simply click on next. And then over here you will have to join a few different groups to actually sell this product. Now that is optional. You can just simply publish it right now, or you can just simply join this group and then just promote this product over there. And as you can see, this is for the marketplace, and once you click on publish, your item will be uploaded. And that is how you basically upload products, and you basically buy and sell different products on from Facebook. So if you have any other questions related to this website, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.